welcome to my channel. My name is Jolly and I make art videos. But today is my birthday and I'm going to open a birthday gift for myself. Before we unbox this brush, I know that this brush can be quite pricey, so I'm gonna give you a disclaimer. So this is not a sponsored post. I bought this brush and I also like to see myself as a collector of art materials. So in the same way that some people like collecting action figures, other toys, some vintage things, some gadgets, and some other stuff, it's the same way with me. I'm collecting art materials. I try to use most of them. Some of them are still unopened, but I kind of prefer it that way. I do have a cabinet where I put all my art materials because it's a collection. So I'm also not giving it away because it's part of my collection, and I just wanted to share with you guys this special brush. So that's why I made a video about it, because a lot of you are curious about what this looks like, and I actually discovered this brush on Instagram. So let's check it out. Okay, so this is the box of the Da Vinci Leonardo 500th anniversary. This is limited edition, and let's open. So I guess we just need to pull this one. Oh, what's this? Okay. So it says here it's limited edition. I know that this is numbered, but where's the number? This brush has the number. I guess this is 142, because I know that there's only 500 pieces of this brush worldwide. So I guess it's the number, and then I'm not so sure what number is this. Guess we'll see it inside, because I know that the number is engraved on the brush, sorry. So it says here that this was tested by the head of production, and wow, it's so nice. Wow, it's so nice. Okay, so this is the brush. Okay, I thought this was 1,500, so it's 142 over 500. So this is brush number 142 out of the 500 brushes. So let's just read some of the description here. So let's check what this brush is made of. So this is the anniversary brush, and it's made of pure Siberian Kolinsky red sable hair, shaped piece by piece by experienced and skilled brush masters' hands, and according to the quality brush tradition, carefully tied by wire to a newly developed handle made of the so-called raffia wood, completed with an etherograph metal tip at the end. This non-toxic metal tip can be used to draw and sketch on many modern papers. So that is so cool. I just love it. The brush is actually quite heavy, and I'm not gonna take off this one first. I guess I'm gonna take a lot of photos and videos. So this is just an unboxing video. It's not really a review video. I bought this. I forgot to tell you guys, I bought this from Jackson's Art, and I found out that it's actually cheaper to buy from Jackson's Art compared to another reseller in Asia. I'm based in the Philippines, and I bought this from Jackson's Art, which is a shop in London. They have one of the best prices for European brands of art materials. So I would suggest to buy European brands from them, like for paints, Sennelier, Schminka, and also for some brushes like this from Da Vinci. So I do love the feel of the brush. It's matte, it feels matte, but it's smooth. Yeah, it looks nice. I guess I'm gonna include a few more B-roll videos so you guys can see it better compared to this angle, but I love it. And the handle, maybe I need to research some more about the design on this this wood. Not sure if it's a natural design or if this is I don't know, it's printed or something. So let's check out this brush case. So it has a brush case. Let's open it up. So this is made of leather. So where do I put? Oh, okay. So I think we'll just put it right here, then close it up. Let's just try it if it's gonna work out. Well, it looks good, but I'm not sure if it's going to really protect the brush, but aesthetically it looks nice. Okay, just gonna put this one back. Okay, so I kind of wanted to try this part. So it's supposed to make a mark if I use this on paper. This is just regular paper. Let's just write my name. Oh my god, it's working. Can you see that? Wow, that is amazing. Really amazing. I wonder if this will dissolve in water. Guess we can try it on watercolor paper if it's gonna show up. But it's so cool. So nice. Okay guys, so I think that's it for the video. So in the box we have this some sort of certificate, I guess, that shows that this is an authentic brush and that you have this beautiful engraving. So I'm not sure if this is still available at Jackson's Art. I will try. If I do see this brush on Jackson's Art, I will put the link below. But so this brush is, I forgot to say the price. It's about $220, I think. $220 US. It's pretty expensive, I know, but it's limited edition, and I think the size of the brush is size 3 if I'm not mistaken. This is a mop brush type. Do you need to buy this? I don't think so. I guess you can find a different Kolinsky brush. You don't need to use something this expensive. I just got this again for collection purposes, so it's not really, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this, but it will be a waste if I don't use it. So I guess I will have to schedule a day when I will be using this brush, and of course I will share that experience with you guys. So yeah, I'm not encouraging you guys to buy this brush unless you're like me who just loves to collect art materials. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you have any questions, do comment down below, and yep, see you in my next video. Bye.